Thanks so much for watching my first Spider-Man Far From Home action video. If you guys want a closer look at my Far From Home cosplays or my other Spidey suits, you can check them out on my YouTube channel. And be sure to check out my other nerdy videos. So that was my first video ever shooting a lot of chroma key and green screen effects to create that illusion of Spider-Man web slinging around. So just let me know what you thought of that in the comments bar. Did you like the effects? I know I'm not very good at them yet. This has definitely marked the beginning of my journey into trying a bunch of digital video effects and chroma key effects as opposed to the practical effects I've used in the past. And obviously I'm still going to continue practicing my acrobatics and using practical effects and stunts, but I just don't want to be limited and I want to try out some of these fun digital effects. So let me know what you'd like to see from me in the future, or if you'd like to see some tutorials of any of the ones you like. Alright guys, thanks so much again for watching my video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and let me know what you'd like to see from me in the future. Cheers.